Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, September 26. Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Tuesday held bilateral talks with world leaders while attending the United Nations General Assembly in New York. Mr. Holness met with President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, and discussed economic and cultural cooperation. Prime Minister Holness also discussed possible partnerships in energy, tourism, economic growth, and renewables with Prime Minister of Denmark, His Excellency Lars Løkke Rasmussen. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF says its crime prevention strategies are yielding results. Within the last 3 days, 15 illegal firearms and over 140 rounds of ammunition have been seized. 3 of the weapons were from St. James, another 3 from St. Catherine, and 1 each from Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, and Clarendon. The largest find is from Kingston and St. Andrew with 6, of which 5 were seized during the State of Public Emergency SOE. The ammunitions were found in the same parishes along with the firearms. The JCF is also reporting that 15 persons classified as persons of interest are in police custody following the imposition of the SOE in the corporate area. One of those persons has since been charged. The government has estimated that it will need over $17 billion more to finance its operations in the 2018-2019 financial year. The increase was outlined in the first supplementary estimates, which was tabled in Parliament on Tuesday. The budget will now move from $773.6 billion to $791 billion. The bulk of the increase, $12.4 billion, is for recurrent or housekeeping expenditure, with $5 billion for capital expenditure. The House of Representatives will review the estimates at next week's sitting. In the next 3 months, football players and administrators will be able to play and practice on an artificial football turf. The Ministry of Sports and the Jamaica Football Federation broke ground for the construction of the turf at the Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence on the grounds of the University of the West Indies, Mona.
One of the things that Captain was passionate about was the state of football pitches across the country. We have made some strides, mainly at the National Stadium, since Captain Burrell began his advocacy for improved pitches. And here we are today about to begin construction of what will become one of the best ever constructed in Jamaica.
Stadium Source, a Costa Rica-based company, has been contracted by the International Federation of Football Associations, FIFA, to carry out the project at a cost of $600,000. And finally, the Heart Trust NTA is now offering training in autotronics and underwater welding. The new areas result from a partnership between the Maritime Authority of Jamaica and international engineering company Festo. The training allows for the certification of approximately 4,000 persons per year to repair small and large vehicles as well as sea vessels. President at the Caribbean Maritime University, Dr. Fritz Pinnock, says it represents the largest capacity for engineering and technology training and certification in the Caribbean.
When you have a Festo certificate, you can go to any 179 countries and work. So we're giving you global currency. When we partner with Festo, what we're doing is not buying equipment, it's a whole training system that comes with the certification. So we're offering a certificate that you can take to 179 countries of the world and trade, including all of the G7 countries.
Dr. Pinnock was speaking at a JIS think tank on Tuesday. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.